And welcome back to the CiaoBedBugs. Today, I want to talk about a simple trick to get rid of those annoying bedbugs, and that's using Dawn. Dawn is a dish soap that is affordable and easily accessible, and let's see what this does against those pesky pests. Does Dawn work against bedbugs? Dawn is a well-known brand of dishwashing liquid that contains surfactants, specialized molecules designed to break down grease and oils. These molecules possess both water-attracting and water-repelling parts. Direct application of Dawn onto bedbugs can potentially be effective. Its surfactants have hydrophilic properties that could prove lethal to bedbugs upon contact. However, it's important to note that bedbug infestations encompass not only mature bedbugs, but also concealed eggs. Although Dawn's disinfectant attributes might eliminate some adult bugs, eggs, and concealed young bedbugs, some may still remain unharmed. Consequently, there's a risk of reinfestation once these eggs hatch. Dawn can offer assistance in dealing with bedbugs, yet for optimal outcomes, it's advisable to combine it with other methods, such as diatomaceous earth, encasing your mattress, and disposing of bedbug interceptor cups. Those strategies are budget friendly to help you find reasonably priced and effective items to get rid of bedbugs all on your own. I've included some additional links in the video description. How to use Dawn for bedbugs. To use Dawn for bedbugs, follow these steps. Step 1. Prepare the spray. Start by mixing a solution of Dawn and water in a spray bottle. Use a ratio of about 1 tablespoon of dish soap to 1 quart, approximately 1 litre, of water. Adjust the amount based on your spray bottle size. Add a few drops of tea tree essential oil to the mixture. Tea tree oil is believed to possess insect repelling properties. Gently shake the spray bottle to ensure that the dish soap, water, and essential oil are well mixed. Avoid shaking too vigorously to prevent excessive foaming. Step 2. Pre-cleaning. Prior to applying the spray, thoroughly clean and declutter the areas you intend to treat. Vacuuming and removing debris will enhance the effectiveness of the treatment. Step 3. Spraying. Directly apply the Dawn dish soap and tea tree oil spray onto areas where bedbugs activity is observed. Focus on cracks, crevices, mattress seams, and other hiding spots, and then let it dry before repeating applications. So in conclusion, if you're seeking an affordable and safer way for bedbugs and you have Dawn dish soap, then you should give it a go. To help you in finding cost-effective, reliable tools for your DIY bedbug eradication project, I've included links to find the best bedbug items in the video description below. And if you found this video beneficial, hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks on pest control. And for additional budget-friendly and natural approaches to eliminating bedbugs, feel free to explore our website, CiaoBedBugs.com. See you soon.